Well, welcome back to Channel. Today I'm on the front door of my building here, and the problem that I have is the strike plate is broken, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this. The reason why I'm doing this is because anytime you use the word commercial when you're dealing with front doors, the price just triples. So I found this online for $45-50, and I'll put a link down below, and we should be set to go. So let's get started. All right, so you can see what's happening here is this piece here is broken where people have pulled on that so many times. And a lot of that has to do with there's nothing in behind here to support that when you pull it. So let's go ahead and pull that old one off. There's one piece. So I'm just going to pre-fit the new one. Okay, that lines up really good. But before I go ahead and screw that together, I think I'd like to put a spacer in behind here to keep that from pulling on this whole bracket itself. So everything that could have gone wrong has gone wrong. So I've lost my audio, but basically what's going on is I've taken some old flashing and I've just cut some strips and put them all together, and the duct tape is basically just to kind of keep it together so it just doesn't fall apart and fall down inside the door. And I'm just putting it behind the locking mechanism, and the whole idea behind that is just so when you're pulling towards the door, pulling it towards you, it's not ripping this brand new striker plate in half. And that's basically all that has happened to the old one. So now here I'm just kind of putting it all back together. If you're going to use an impact driver such as this one right here, you want to be really careful because these screws are real small and it wouldn't take much to just destroy them. So basically just kind of put it all back together and you should be in pretty good shape. So it's all installed and it's working great, as you can see. It's the same type of material, I believe it's aluminum, and I may try to produce something out of steel. I'm not sure yet, but it's working fine for now, and now the door is secure. I hope this helps, and we'll see you on the next one.